Hey y'all, welcome to Touch by Maya's channel. I will be showing you how to install a lace frontal wig from my collection, Glueless. Glueless wig saves your edges. I am detangling my hair before shampoo. To shampoo my hair, I will be using Desire Transformation Hair Care Shampoo. Then I will be putting a treatment in my hair. It is important to treat your natural hair in between installs. Now that my hair is all blown out, I will do my braid down. Your braid down should be as flat as possible. You should have a part in the middle in case you have a middle part wig, so that your part will not be bumpy at the top. To protect my skin and hair, I use a skin guard, a no sweat spray, and sea breeze. I will have everything listed in the description box below. I start with the sea breeze, cleaning off my skin. Then I use the no sweat spray, then the skin guard. I like using Eco Styling Gel for my edges because it doesn't dry my hair out. I use my blow dryer to dry it. I like working in sections because it's easier. I create my ball cap by tracing my hairline with the boho active glue. And then I will sew the back of my cap down after that's dry. You do not have to create a ball cap method. You can just wear a wig cap. I do this because I switch my wigs daily and I don't like wig caps. They're too tight and too thick for my head. While the glue is drying, I will revamp this ash blonde wig from Touch by Maya's collection. This wig is 2 years old. I am plucking the hairline. When I first wore the wig, I didn't know much about plucking. I will insert a picture of when I first wore the wig. It didn't look bad. Now my cap is dry, I will cut off the extra cap, making sure to cut as close as possible to my hairline. I straighten my wig off camera. All wigs come with adjustable straps and adjustable band. After you adjust the band and the straps of your wig, you will place the wig on your head and fix it to match your hairline. Using Adhesive foam, I mold my hair back and tie it down and sit under the dryer for 15 minutes. After that dried, I did my baby hair using the same foam. Before tying my baby hair down, I used my lace tint to melt my lace more and let that dry for 15 minutes under the dryer. Using my wax stick and hot comb, I go in to define my part. Be careful when using the hot comb not to burn your lace. This is the finished look of this glueless lace frontal wig revamp. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Stay tuned for more hair tutorials.